This is your feeder and stock report for Tuesday, March 24th. Information provided on this report is supplied by various auction marts throughout Alberta. In reference to the following prices, producers are reminded to check with individual markets on current prices and trends. Prices quoted include top quality cattle only. In Central Alberta Monday, steers 900 plus 460 to 475, 8 to 900 491 to 515, 7 to 800 529 to 569, 6 to 700 587 to 675. 5 to 600, 710 to 750, 4 to 500, 745 to 795, 3 to 400, 880 to 895. Heifers 900 plus 435 to 437, 8 to 900, 458 to 475, 7 to 800, 502 to 532, 6 to 700, 545 to $6, 5 to 600, 620 to 652, 4 to 500, 710 to 765, 3 to 400, 775 to 830. Alberta Direct Cattle Sales Monday saw no new trade report. This week's show list has been compiled with volumes smaller than the previous week. Over the past couple of weeks, Alberta Fed prices have been trading par to a slight premium against the Nebraska market. For the middle of March, this is the second strongest basis level on record. The only year that was stronger was back in 2021. Canfax released its monthly trends report the other day. Heavier weight feeder cattle placed in March have break-evens in the mid-330s, targeting the fourth quarter Fed market. Feedlots are banking on record high Fed cattle prices. From a hedgeable standpoint, these feeder cattle are being placed about $500 per head offside. In the cow trade in Central Alberta Monday, D1 and 2 cows, 240 to 258. D3 cows, 215 to 235. Bulls in Central Alberta yesterday brought 260 to 275. In the U.S., there is no new trade to report, and significant trade will likely be delayed until the second half of this week. Asking prices are poorly defined, but are expected to start out around 240 on a live basis. Four-state show list volumes have been reported smaller, with the large declines in fed supplies noted in the southern feeding states. USDA released its March 1st cattle on feed report last Friday, and it was viewed as slightly negative as feedlot placements came in above pre-report estimates. Feedlot placements for the month of February were 4% larger than last year. This is the first time in 10 months that placements have been above last year. March 1st cattle on feed inventories were reported at 11.5 million head, slightly below last year. National Bonnet cows averaged 316.03 dressed. The nearby Canadian dollar at 8:30 this morning was trading at 73.04, down 12 basis points. On the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, in mid-session trade, live cattle futures are as follows. April 234.50, down 80. June 233.57, down 107. August 231.15, down 60. This is Dallas Rodger with Canfax reporting for the Alberta beef producers.